Hello, good evening students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Good. Last week we were studying about kinds of adjectives and we studied three kinds of adjectives. First was adjective of quality. When we ask question with what kind of a thing it is. Okay, the word which tells quality of a person, place, animal, bird, things, that words are known as adjectives of quality. When we speak about quantity, okay, when we speak about quantity, enough, much, few, then how much, when we ask question with how much do you have, then you say I have few pens with me, or I have little food with me. Little is what? Little is quantity, correct? Then there are many more words which will tell about quantity. Which are those? When you ask question with how much, okay, when you ask question with how much, enough, much, I have much things, I have much dresses with me. much म्हणजे काय? क्वांटिटी. किती ड्रेसेस आहे माझ्याकडे? थोडेसे आहे ड्रेसेस. ओके, देन I have enough hunger, or then I have enough, here one sentence is there, how much sugar? Then the poor don't, what is that? Is there enough sugar in the tea? चहामध्ये जेवढी पाहिजे तेवढी शुगर आहे का? मग जेवढी पाहिजे तेवढी म्हणजे किती? इनफ. इनफ म्हणजे काय? ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ क्वांटिटी. Okay, next one is adjective of number. Then when we use numbers in the sentences, when we ask question with how many dresses do you have, then you say I have 6 dresses. Then 6 is what? 6 is adjective of number. If I'll ask you, there is one sentence given here, how many children are there? How many children do you have? Then you will say I have 3 children. Okay, or how many children does your class has? Then I will say I have 80 children in my class. Okay, for example, 4th A I have 40 children and 4th B I have 40 children. So if I will say I have 80 children, then 80 is what? 80 is adjective of number. And when we ask question with how many or which, okay, ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ क्वालिटीला व्हॉट काइंड, आपण प्रश्न कशाने विचारायचा? व्हॉट काइंड. आपण व्हॉट काइंड ऑफ कॅरेक्टर डज दॅट मॅन हॅज? देन यू से दॅट मॅन हॅज गुड कॅरेक्टर. गुड काय? क्वालिटी त्या माणसाची. ओके, सो वेन वी आस्क क्वेश्चन विथ व्हॉट काइंड, दॅट टाइम इट इज ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ क्वालिटी. वेन वी आस्क क्वेश्चन विथ हाऊ मच, ओके, वेन वी आस्क क्वेश्चन विथ हाऊ मच, for example, how much pay, how much, wait, I'll ask you question, how much food do you want to eat? Then you will say I want to eat 2 chapatis, okay, or you will say I want to eat little food. Then little is what? It is quantity of a food. So then it is what? When we ask question with how much, then it is adjective of quantity. When we ask question with how many and which, that is adjective of number. Okay, in this way we studied about kinds of adjectives. We studied about 3 adjectives and today we are going to solve this question number 1. Okay, now in this question here it is told that identify the kinds of adjectives in the following sentences. आपल्याला सेंटेन्सेस दिलेले आहेत. त्या सेंटेन्सेसमधून एक शब्द असा आहे की तो एक तर तो ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ क्वालिटी असेल, किंवा एक तर तो ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ क्वांटिटी असेल, किंवा एक तर तो ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ नंबर असेल. मग तो शोधायचा आणि तो इथे लिहायचा आहे. ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू राईट डाऊन इट हिअर डाऊन अँड देन वी विल पुट वन स्मॉल डॅश अँड देन वी आर गोइंग टू राईट डाऊन काइंड ऑफ ॲडजेक्टिव्ह. अंडरस्टूड? So next one here, now first sentence which is given here is the sheep ran. Okay, can you see? The sheep ran into stormy weather. The sheep ran into stormy weather. Now what is quality of weather? Weather कसं आहे? Stormy. Okay, so when we speak about stormy weather, then stormy is what? Stormy is the answer. It is an adjective. Are you getting first one? And then it is which kind of weather? It tells about the quality of a weather. So it is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Second one. Now second sentence काय करायचं? इथे अंडरलाईन करा किंवा मग तो शब्द इथे लिहून काढायचा आणि पुढे लिहायचा आन्सर. ओके, ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ क्वालिटी. डू यू हॅव एनी मिल्क? Do you have any milk? When we ask this question at that time, any is how much milk, then any milk. Okay, so any is what? Any is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Next one is, few people had come to watch the match. Few means what? When we will ask how many people were there to watch, or how many people had come to watch a match, that time you will give answer few. Then few is what? Few is quantity. So you have to write down FEW, few, as the answer, and adjective of quantity. Fourth one, we had several visitors last week. Several means many, correct? Then if I will ask you how many visitors were there last week, then you will say several. Then it tells about what? It tells about quantity of people, or number of people, right? You will tell number of people. So when we ask question several, or if I will ask you question, what is that? How many people were there? Okay. When I will ask you question with how many people were there, then you will say there were several people. So it is what? Several is adjective of number. Okay. SEVERAL, several, adjective of number. Fifth one. Fifth sentence is, the 6th month of the year is June. So 6th is what? Adjective of number. 6th का है? Number है. So it is what? Adjective of number. Sixth one. Sixth sentence which is given here is, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Now quality of a boy, Jack is given. Boy, Jack is what? Name of a boy. आणि त्याची क्वालिटी दिलेली आहे, तो कसा बॉय? डल. Okay, here it is told that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Okay, so dull is what? Dull is quality. So we are going to write down adjective dull and adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Seventh one. The clever fox fooled the crow. The clever fox fooled the crow. So clever is what? Clever is adjective. The word clever is adjective and it is quality of what? It is quality of fox. So adjective of quality. What is answer? Adjective of quality. Next sentence is 8th one. We hope that we get sufficient rain this year. Okay, we get sufficient rain. Sufficient rain means what? आपल्याला बऱ्यापैकी पाऊस मिळेल ह्या वर्षी. Okay, sufficient. So sufficient is quantity. Are you understanding? Quantity of rain we are talking about. Okay, so our answer is sufficient, and sufficient is what? Sufficient is adjective of quantity. Ninth one. What a colorful dress you are wearing. Dress ची quality कशी आहे? Colorful आहे. Okay, so it is what? Colorful is quality of dress, so it is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. 10th one. Some boys have complained to the teacher. Some boys have complained. Complaint will be what? Complaining is what? If I will ask you question with what kind, it tells about a nature of a student or nature of a person or a thing. So it will be, complaint will be what? Adjective of quality. Complained. Adjective of quality. Okay, in this way we have completed 10 sentences, and there is question number 2 in the book that we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay, please see this all, write down all these answers in your grammar book. Okay, and please study for exam. We are having our examination on Monday onwards. Okay, only 3 days are left. Today is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday onwards we are going to start with our exams. Okay, so please study for exam, and whatever paper pattern is given to you, please study that. And keep in mind, English Bal Bharti lessons are given by mistake. It has come off second standard for 4th standard. तुम्हाला कोणत्या लेसन्सचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 5 लेसन्स इंग्लिश बाल भारतीय. लेसन नंबर 8 द ग्रेट लीडर. द ग्रेट लीडरपासून अभ्यास करायला सुरुवात करायची. तर कोणत्या लेसनपर्यंत अभ्यास करायचा? विच इज दॅट लेसन? पोएम इट इज वाय इंग्लिश इज सो हार्ड. ओके, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Understood? Please do study of 5 lessons of English Bal Bharti, and grammar portion is as it is. Grammar portion is given, I think so, in the paper pattern. Grammar, which lessons are there? Grammar till lesson number 13 you have to study. From which lesson? From lesson number 9. English grammar चे कोणते लेसन अभ्यास करायचा? लेसन नंबर 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5 lessons of English Bal Bharti, 5 lessons of English grammar. Okay, thank you.